Let's get to our ETF spotlight. Dom Chu taking a look at some other countries impacted by Turkey's currency crisis. Dom?
All right, so Carl, I know that you guys were just talking about this idea that it could be a spreading type factor, but the U.S. markets have been pretty insulated from that broader effect of what's happening in Turkey and more broadly in those emerging markets overall. The iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, that ticker EEM, is trying to at least post its first positive day over the course of the last 5. And while shares of the fund are down nearly about 4% over the course of the last 1 week, as you can see here, individual stock markets, in addition to Turkey, are getting hit pretty hard. Let's take a look at some of these ones over here, because among them, you've got, at least ETF-wise, the $383 million iShares Indonesia Country ETF, that ticker EIDO. It's fallen by about 8% over the course of the last just 1 week. Indonesia is around 2% of the total weighting of that MSCI Emerging Markets Index. The iShares South Africa ETF, ticker EZA, down about 7% during that span as well. You can see there, South Africa is nearly 7% of the index. And then one other one to watch is the $6.5 billion Brazil ETF, which is the ticker EWZ. It's fallen by around 5% as well. Brazil is nearly 6% of that weighting. Traders will be watching many of these types of markets and these ETFs closely outside of Turkey for any possible signs of stress or contagion, Sarah, something a lot of folks are doing in terms of the ETF market. Back over to you.
Yeah, some relief today, though. Dom, thank you. Right.